So I made a restaurant menu by me. So my goal was to make a restaurant program that printed out a menu. When you typed what you wanted, it added up the prices and like gave it to you. So my program mainly has if statements, lists, while loops, and variables, but it has other things too. So I didn't need to test it too many times because the program ran smoothly, luckily. And then rethink. So if I could change something about my program, I would maybe add like more options like drinks or desserts. And then my demo. So this is our program.
Menu. What's on the menu?
Okay, so my menu, so it's a sushi restaurant. So there's lots of like sushi. And so if you type in what you like right now I'm just going to type in salmon because
Salmon sushi.
and then it says $6.99, your total is $6.99. And then it asks if you want to get something else. And if you type in yes, you can type in another thing. Like it was California roll. And it says that's $5.99. So your total will be $12.98. And then it asks again if you want to order something else. And if I type in no, it asks if you want to give it a tip. And then if you do yes, then it asks how much. And if I do like $5, and it says goodbye, thank you for coming. You spent $19.02 including tax. And so yeah, that's it. Do you have a question?
Can you order multiple of the same food?
Yeah, you can.
Oh.
That's it?
All right, let's give him a round of applause.